Locksmith business for sale in Los Angeles. Operating under multiple brands in major metro areas including Los Angeles, San Diego, Orange County, Bay Area, Fresno, and more. Seller has a locksmith license but no contractor's license. Built for remote operations utilizing subcontractors where needed. CRM and marketing systems in place. The asking price is $749,000. Revenue is $877,846. Cash flow is $345,264. Approximate value of furniture, fixtures, and equipment is $48,000. The business has no employees and uses a subcontractor-based model where needed. Established in 2019, the seller states he is moving out of the country. To learn more about this listing, submit your request online and sign the NDA. Once that's completed, you will automatically receive our confidential business profile.